All right, so we will start our lesson now, which is we are done here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we are in unit 3, which is bird's eye school idea. What is it? What is this kind of idea? Okay, but before that, we are going to answer first our warm-up questions. So number 1, do you buy frozen foods? Yeah, do you know
No,
frozen food, Kelly?
no.
When we say frozen foods, here are they. Okay, frozen foods. Okay, here are the frozen foods. Okay, something that we can put in the fridge. Okay, that will last until how many days? Okay, but not that one. Also here, we have chicken nuggets, hot dogs, sausages. Okay, those are frozen foods. Do you eat hot dog, Kelly?
That is not good for our health.
Okay, yes, very good. And then, so what do you eat?
Hey, wait. What is your daughter doing?
Oh, she's playing there in her room.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Haven't she eat her dinner yet?
What? She is?
Haven't she eaten her dinner yet?
Oh yeah, she haven't yet eat her dinner yet because my mom's still cooking. Yeah. Okay. How about you, Kelly? Oh, okay. I guess you haven't yet your dinner too, isn't it?
I have my dinner.
Really? Very good.
I have it already.
What was your dinner?
I won't tell you. It's a secret.
It's a secret. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, you said you didn't eat frozen foods, isn't it? You
Yeah.
didn't eat? Well, very good. That's great. Okay, what are the good things about frozen food? Yeah, what do you think, Kelly? Is the good things about frozen food? Mm-hmm. Yes, what is the good things about frozen food?
I don't know.
Okay. Those are, when you say frozen foods, those are the foods that we put in the freezer. Okay. So that it will last for long. Okay. And the good things about it is you
But
can, Mhm.
why did mosquitoes always bite people but leaves other alone?
Oh,
I got mosquito bites every day.
ah, okay, I see. We're the same. But you must be careful because some of the mosquitoes bring dengue. Do you know dengue?
No.
This one. This is what we call, okay, dengue. Okay, this is a dengue fever. You can have a dengue fever if the mosquito bites you, but this is a kind of dengue mosquito, okay? It's not an ordinary mosquito. Okay, so you must be careful because nowadays sometimes it rains, not totally sunny, right? Sometimes it rains. So that mosquitoes are alive or they are active this kind of weather. Also here, we're the same. Yeah. Okay. So you must
Did
put some
your daughter get
lotion.
one too?
What is it?
Did your daughter get one too?
Mm, no.
Why did she didn't she get When I already took my bath, but the mosquitoes still bite me.
Because I put her some lotion. Yeah. Anti mosquito repellent lotion. Okay, so that's why she's not going to bite by this mosquito. Yes. We must take care, double care. Okay.
We're buying electric mosquito net.
Oh, I didn't buy an electric mosquito net. I just bought insect sprayer. Yeah. Insect repellent sprayer. Not just all of the insect can kill in this sprayer. Yes. All right. Let's proceed here. Okay, so the good things about frozen food is easy to cook. It is easy to cook, right?
No,
Okay.
put in the microwave.
Yeah, that is easy to cook, right? You're just going to put it in the microwave. You don't need to cook for it for a
And
long
heat it
time.
up
And
and froze it.
oh, yes. Okay, but you have to thaw before you put it in the freezer. I mean, in the oven. Okay. Mm-hmm. And you can stock the food for a long time. Okay. What do you think? Okay, next number 3. What are the bad things about frozen food?
It can cause
Mhm.
defect or maybe a cough.
Yes.
But a cough because she ate a cold fish.
Oh no. We cannot eat the cold fish if it's not yet cooked. Yeah, so we have to thaw first the frozen fish, okay? Then after that, you must cook it immediately, okay? For me, okay, yes, that is good, Kelly. Okay, you can get a cough, okay? And for me, I think the bad things about frozen food is it's not,
Mm,
uh-huh.
mm, a nose runny.
Yes, you're right.
Very, very bad nose runny.
There?
There is a runny nose disease if we eat
Oh.
frozen food.
Yeah, so you must be take care yourself, right, Kelly?
And remember to tell the daughter she must ask you to use the oven because she may get a burn.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay. And okay, another thing, another bad things about frozen food, they are not already fresh, right?
I
So,
like
mhm.
fresh food more.
Oh yes, me too. I like the fresh foods rather than frozen foods. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And okay, it can listen. Okay. If we're going to stock the food or the fruits, or fruit, vegetables or fish or meat for a long time in the fridge or in the freezer, it will lessen the nutrition that we can get. Okay? Because it's not already fresh. Okay, so it is better to eat the fresh
Um,
foods rather
my
than
mom always froze the ice creams and the eggs and some
ah, okay.
fish and meat.
Oh, I see. We're the same. Yes. Okay.
By the
And
way, what is your mom cooking?
where's my mom cooking?
What is she cooking now?
Oh, she's cooking in the kitchen. Yeah,
I mean,
downstairs.
what kind of food does she cook?
She's cooking some meat. Yeah, with sauce. Okay. Meat with sauce.
But
Uh,
will your daughter like it?
of course, she like it. Yes. Because it's so delicious. One of my favorite food also. Okay.
So what do you have
Next,
for dinner today?
what?
What do you have for dinner today?
My dinner will be meat with sauce, pork meat with soy sauce. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, like soy sauce.
But it should be in a better taste. Yeah, they put some spices, not only the sauce, not only the soy. Okay. All right. So we have a different kind of frozen foods. We have frozen fruit, frozen fish, frozen vegetables, and frozen meat. Okay. All right. So next, let's move on. Okay, so before we answer these new words, let's read first about bird eyes cool idea. Okay. Can you start now, Kelly, to
You should
read?
start first. The second is for me. The third is for you. And the last one is for me.
Oh, okay. Bird's eyes cool idea. In 1912, Clarence Birdeye went to live with the Inuit people of the North America. Arctic. Oh, it is an Arctic, North America Arctic. The Inuit taught him how to fish under the ice. As bird's eye pulled the fish from the water, he put them on the snow and continued fishing. Oh, that's great. Okay. The fish froze almost immediately because of the cold Arctic air. Yes.
Birds
Oh.
say when to eat the fish. A few days later, he noticed that they taste as fresh as the day he caught them. Usually, the frozen fish tastes old and less flavorful. He wondered why the fish tastes better because of how fast they froze.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Bird's eye moved to Massachusetts. Okay. Massachusetts, and began experimenting with freezing food. He developed a new way of freeze. He blasted the food with air chilled to negative 43 degrees Celsius. After he developed this method, he founded the General Seafood Corporation. Soon, Bird's Eye began experimenting the freezing other types of food. Okay, next your turn. Frozen
Frozen food,
food.
a success. It revolutionized the food industry. Now people could enjoy fresh tasting food at any time of the year.
Mhm.
They could even eat food that was packaged far away. Koreans first say changed the way we eat.
Mhm. Yes, okay. Yeah, okay, so that's why how he thought about cake freezing cold, okay. Now we have here some italics or bold words. We have immediately, not noticed, wonder, develop, freeze, and experiment. Okay, so how many words do we have? One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so we have
Wait,
six
the
words.
word notice the
Mhm.
word that was black. It was noticed, not noticed.
Mm-hmm. Ah, yeah, noticed. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's start answer this one. Okay, new words. Okay, number one, can you read, Kelly, to test?
Experience.
This is experiment. Okay.
Do you
Next.
know? I did.
Do I know the?
Here is about
Mhm.
is wonder.
Okay. Wonder. All right. Number 3, to see.
I don't know.
Mhm. Okay, to see is to believe. To see is
It's the ball.
mhm,
Is it the ball?
the develop or notice.
Yeah.
Notice.
The
Notice.
ball.
Develop. Okay. But when we say develop, it was different in the see. To see. I think this is a okay, I think this is bird's eyes. All right, so let's answer this one. Oh, okay. Let's see. To see is to noticed.
No.
What is it?
The ball.
Develop.
Yes.
Ah, okay. But when we say develop, okay. Develop.
Đã phát triển.
Mm-hmm. We have what else? Notice. Noticed. Mm-hmm. Okay. What's your answer, Kelly? Number 3. Is it develop or notice? Noticed.
Develop.
Develop. Okay. Number 4. Can you read at once?
Notice.
Noticed. Okay, next. To become hard because it is so cold.
Rose. I mean, freeze.
Mm-hmm. Freeze. All right. Freeze. Okay, freeze. Next, number 6. To make something bigger or better.
Mm,
Uh-huh. Okay. Blank to make something bigger or better. What do you think it is, Callie? Is it experiment, develop, freezing, freeze, wonder, immediately, and notice?
wonder.
Notice. What is it?
Wonder. It's so
Wonder. But we already have the wonder. We don't have yet immediately.
Hey,
Mhm.
where are you typing going?
What?
Where is your typing going?
Where?
It's immediately.
It's immediately. But it says here when you say um immediately. What? What is it? Where it is?
You could just so loud.
Uh-huh.
It's
Immediately.
so loud.
Okay.
Ngay lập tức.
When you say immediately,
Ngay lập tức.
Okay. How about their brothers and sisters? All right. Oh, we have a long. Okay. Number 6.
Wrong word.
What is number 6?
It's immediately. I told
Immediately.
you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, we're done. Okay. Let me see. Experiment to see or to find out. Okay, what will happen? Correct? Wonder to know or to want to know something. Yes. Develop to see. Develop to see. Okay. To see is okay. Oh, to see is to find. Okay. To see or not noticed. All right. Next, number 2. Number 4.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, if number 3 is okay. Number 3 is noticed. How about number 4? At once, without delay, right away. Mm-hmm.
At you.
What is this? Mm-hmm. What is it, Kelly? Number 3 is noticed. Number 4 is at once, without delay, right away. Okay, when we say this word, oh no.
Search.
When we say
Yeah,
develop
already said the word.
immediately. When we say immediately,
ngay lập tức,
straight away, at once, right away. That is the meaning of immediately.
You know, haha.
Okay, so number 3
But
is
I have 2 messages for you.
before I see that, let us answer this one first. Wonder. Mm-hmm.
To be
Okay.
curious.
Number 3 is noticed.
I mean, development.
Okay, number 4,
Noticed.
it is right away.
Would notice.
Mhm. Oh, Kelly, it is right away. It says here. What is right away? Who is right away? Uh,
It's you.
kitchen.
It's hard.
Number 4. What is number 4? Mhm. Okay, number 4 is immediately. Oh no, we don't have much time yet, Kelly.
You
Okay.
should finish it when I leave.
Oh no, I have a next student waiting. Okay. Oh, you didn't answer already.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.